everyone, this is Gliza, Made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in Christina, the DIY's mommy organization tips and challenges and whatever it's called. Basically, Christina wanted us to organize our space and share our DIYs, tips, tricks, etc. and how we do that. Now, I have a craft room that's in desperate need of organization, and I'm doing it a little bit of it at a time. Just impossible for me to do like a full makeover in a day. So I'm gonna start with a little section, and this is behind the craft room door. As soon as you come in, this is what I have done so far. I've organized, and there I'm going to show you, but I still have a little bit more organization to do, and I'm going to show you a tip and trick on how I'm going to do that. So now, first of all, everything looks great, doesn't it? All nice and colorful and neat. But if you look down on the floor there, I still have a bunch of projects that I need to do, get started on, work on, things like that on the floor in bags. And there's hooks there with a few already on them, but not enough space for all of these things to hang up. So I have to figure out what to do with that. But yeah, so before we actually get started on how I'm going to address my pile, let me show you what I actually have going on this wall. Okay, so hold on. So when you come into my craft room here, this is right behind the door, and I am going to warn you that if you do something like this, be aware that the door is not going to fully open. There will be some blockage, but you have to be prepared to live with whatever you're doing. So I know I still have enough room to make it in and out of this in this doorway. So this is why this works for me, but you may have to readjust. And I mean, this is all of my florals, Christmas, Thanksgiving, everything is in here right now, and I'll probably reorganize this even further, but right now let me show you what I have going on. So behind the door we have a shoe bag organizer, and in my shoe bag organizer I basically use the pockets to store different things. For example, here I have all my bamboo skewers and what are these called? Zip ties. Here I have chenille stems, pipe cleaners, an extra ruler, a lighter randomly, I stuck it in there. Here I have pencils and markers and crayons for my younger guests who want to be crafty with me, but I don't want to let them use my better supplies. I have things for them like that right here. I have an assortment of glues and, you know, different things, fabric stiffener, just different materials that I may need. I have extra glue guns. Below I have extra glue sticks in a cup just so it all kind of stays together. Popsicle sticks, different glues, fasteners, things like that, Loctite, super glue. Here I have Mod Podge, 2 different types. I put a little piece of plastic or vinyl or something in between the cap and the lid. It makes it easier so, you know, the glue doesn't like seal the lid shut. Down here I have my packing tapes, masking tapes, you know, just tapes in general, decorative tapes. Here I have some extra lights, just different things in the bottom. Now on the bottom of the floor I still need a little bit of organization. I have my autographed Steve Aoki picture from when I made a cake for him that needs to be hung up somewhere, but I haven't figured out where. And then here I usually store frames and mat board and plastic canvas, things like that. I usually store here, but I'm gonna be cleaning this out a little bit further and trying to get this even more organized. So that's still in process. Then here I have a bag from my cross stitch store where I hung all of my cross stitch fabric in the bag. It's able to fit right in there. And then we have one of these Dollar Tree baskets that I am using to hold all of my florals. In the base of this basket, I don't know if you can see it, there's floral sponge, and I just basically stuck everything into that. And just basically all over it. And then right below that I have a hook on the wall where I'm using to hang a regular plastic bag with some of my styrofoam pieces like cones and balls and eggs and things like that. Now on this side here, and this may be moved or not, but right now what I've done, I've gathered all of my knitting and crochet needles, everything to do with knitting and crochet needle wise, stitch markers, things like that. They're all in this box. They were all able to fit into this box, and I have them right here. Now I may move this box to a different location closer to yarn, or I may not. Right now it fits there, and that's where I'm gonna leave it for the time being. On this wall I have one of these ribbon organizers that you make out of the foam tag, foam core stuff that they sell at Dollar Tree. I'll try to find a tutorial, but several YouTubers have already shown how to make this. I didn't do anything fancy or painted it or anything like that. I just use white duct tape, and yeah, I probably may need to tape a little bit over to go ahead and make this ribbon holder, because I have lots of ribbon. It's all over the place. So this turned out great. I didn't hang it from the wall. It's actually just sitting on top of this bookshelf. But I'll try to link at least one video so you can see how you can make one of these. It's a DIY, but I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to do it for you because a lot of people already have videos on how to make this ribbon organizer. And that's how I have all of my ribbons. And in this jar I have a lot of my little ends from projects that I work on. Now some, you know, if I'm like want to make a scrunchie or anything like that, I can just grab a little one, or test the swatch if I know I'm using the same yarn. I can certainly grab one of those, or for little projects, embellishments, color work, things like that. So I like to keep some of the balls. Now here I have a lot of my craft books and some paints on the bottom. And then, like I said, all of these projects. Now, to hang all of these things here, I don't think I'm going to be able to do that. So I'm going to stop this video and show you exactly how I'm going to try to confine all of these things up here with a few little items. So hold on, everyone. Okay, so I've taken everything down, and what we're going to be using is a really sturdy gift wrap roll cardboard. You can see, but it's pretty sturdy, and 3 bangles. Yep, just bangles. These are just odds and ends that I have in my craft room. Well, we're only gonna need 3, so let me grab those and show you what I'm gonna do. So my idea, here I have these C hooks, and what I'm thinking of doing, let's go ahead, we'll put one on, and then just hang it like so. The other. And there, I should be able to hang a lot more on this. So let's test this theory. We're going to take one side off, and I'm going to grab my projects. Here it is. Everything is now off the floor. I have the ones that I have to work on, like today, recently, my neighbor's alterations, they're hanging there. But then here I have all my other projects, with the one that I'm most currently working on. This one is right here. I don't have to take anything off. I can just slip it off, and then when I come back in my room, I can just hang it up on this side. So this side will be the sewing that I'm doing for this week, and this side will be the knitting that I carry with me here and there. So yay, I can clean my floor. So this is one section of my craft room that's been organized. Like I said, I still have some stuff in the corner over there to finish cleaning up, but that's what I have done so far. So, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing. Thank you, Christina, the DIY Mommy, for this fun collaboration. I can't wait to get some more ideas. I hope to see some other craft rooms and how other people are organizing. I've been watching lots of craft room organization videos, and I hope that I was able to help you and give you a few ideas for your craft space. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in another video soon. Have a wonderful day and weekend. Bye!